Good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to Study from Home. In two previous classes, we learned test, type of test. Partially, we learned about digestive system as well as we learned in detail about how many types of test. Partially, we learn about saliva, starch, right? And how starch is useful to human body in digestion, right? Now, as I begin in a previous class that chew it or chew it well, what's the difference between these two things? Okay, chew it well means if you will chew it well, first the food will not stuck between the teeth and it will digest properly. Yes, properly chew food is help to digest food easily, because when you chew food many time your teeth will break the food in a small particles with the help of a starch, and that starch convert that food into a very smooth juice that can enter in our esophagus, means food pipe. Now, how do you feel when you are very hungry? How would you describe it? For example, sometime we jokingly say, I am so hungry, I could eat an elephant. Now, when we are hungry, we feel empty in our stomach. The wall of our stomach give us a feeling as if they get collapse. Our stomach and intestine start making noise as if they are demanding food. Yes, sometime your head is spinning, right? Sometime you feel, drowsiness. These are the message from your stomach that it need or it require food, right? Sometimes children or adult complain about migraine. They feel, their head is aching, headache, just because of their stomach, their body require food. That's why the stomach give message, right? Now, how do you come to know that you are hungry? When someone hungry, his or her stomach start making noise, or other sign of hunger that I get are desire to eat food, right? Anger and irritation. Third one, feeling tired and dried out of energy. Student, sometimes people gets irritated when they won't get food on time, right? Irritation and anger for food is generally seen in the patient of diabetes. Yes, diabetic patient feel irritate when they won't get food. Now, students, this is all about food, right? Why we are discuss food? Because food give us energy. Food make our body healthy. Food support our tissues and cells, right? In short, food give us energy. That's why our body, that's why human body or any living organism body require food, right? Now we are going to discuss about glucose. Why glucose is important and why patient given glucose. Now I would like to give you an example of Neetu. You remember that in class 4 we made a solution of sugar and salt. Neetu's father also made this and gave her. Why do you think this is given to someone who has vomiting and losing motion? Student, I would like to tell you that if someone dehydrate or vomit or having a stomach upset, he or she has been given a glucose. Why? Glucose is an instant energizer. Like, someone energized rehydrate instantly with glucose. We will get glucose in two way. from the sugar or glucose powder or from the food. But glucose which we will get from food, that is not instant energizer, but chocolate, sweets, glucose powder, sugar, these are the instant energizer. That's why sometime doctor prescribe you ORS. ORS means oral rehydrate suspension, or sometime doctor prescribe this Glucon D or glucobolt, right? Now you already heard about glucose, right? Have you ever tasted glucose? How does it taste? Tell your friend. Have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? When and why? Okay. As I told you, glucose has been given to the patient who dehydrate or someone fell sick. Neetu's teacher used to tell the girl to have a glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Just because when you play hockey or when you involve in sports activity like cricket, running, or cycling, your body reduce and your body lose energy rapidly means fast. So sometime generally in summer the chances of reduce glucose quickly from our body. So to maintain glucose level in our body, generally we supposed to keep chocolate, sugar, or glucon D powder along with us to maintain the glucose level in our body, generally in summer. How glucose drip being given? Students, you must question. You think of why patient has been given a glu- glucose glucose drip, and how the glucose drip being given. Treatment with glucose intravenous infusion usually occur in hospital, means they inject glucose with blood vein, right? It will be given to you as a slow injection into one of your vein. This is called an intravenous infusion by your doctor or special trained nurse. But we cannot give glucose infusion directly without doctor, because one doesn't know what consequences it has, right? See, students, glucose drip can be given in a proper volume, means proper quantity. We cannot give them anything, right? How is glucose important to human body? As I told you in the beginning, glucose is an instant energizer. Glucose, or commonly called sugar, is important energy source that is needed by all the cells and organs of our body. Some examples are our muscles and our brain. Glucose or a sugar comes from the food we eat. Carbohydrates such as a fruit, bread, pasta, cereals are common source of glucose. Neetu was very sick, as we discussed in the beginning that why Neetu has been given a glucose drip. Neetu was a sick all the day. She was a vomiting and she also had a loose motion. So student, in the situation of vomiting and loose motion, the chances of glucose reduce in our body are maximum. Whatever she ate, she vomited. So she won't get glucose from fruit or from food. Her father gave her a sugar and salt solution, right? Sugar and salt solution is also instant glucose, right? It's provide instant glucose, right? By evening, Neetu was feeling weak and dizzy. When she got up to go to the doctor, she fainted. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Neetu should get admitted in hospital. She need to be given a glucose drip. Hearing this, Neetu got confused. She know that during the games period in school, the teacher sometimes gave them glucose to drink. But what was a glucose drip? Doctor Auntie explained, your stomach is upset, your body is not keeping any food and water, and it has become a very weak. The glucose drip will give you some strength quickly even without eating. As I told you, food and fruits are source of a instant glucose, but her body cannot keep any food inside her stomach. That's why she require a glucose drip. Now student, we are talking about digestion. This is the picture that will give you a understanding, that will give you idea about this digestion. Digestion begins from our mouth to esophagus, means food pipe, stomach, large intestine and small intestine. Liver, pancreas will produce digestive juice, and that will help break food, right? Where do you think the food must be going after you put in your mouth and swallow it? In this picture, I already explained you this picture. First, food will go into the mouth, then food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Pancreas will produce juice. Now, the main organ that make up the digestive system are the mouth, esophagus. Esophagus is food pipe. Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Helping them along the way are the pancreas, gallbladder and liver. Here, how these organs work together in your digestive system, that I will explain you in the next class. Okay, this is all about beta glucose and digestive system. You already know what is glucose, how glucose is important. Okay, but digestive system I will explain you in the next class. Thank you.